How to fix the application manager not opening in your mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with your application manager, here are the fixes to fix it. First of all, head over to your settings and then tap on the system or general settings. Scroll down and it is usually available on the bottom of the settings page. Tapping on General Settings or System, you will land to another page from where select on Reset options and then tap on Reset All Settings. This action does not erase the personal data, security settings, or app configuration. Instead, it will refresh the device settings. So once this is done, the next thing we can do is check for software updates. Check for the software update option and download and install to check for the pending updates. Now once this is done, we can check for the application manager and it should be working fine. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.